All right. So, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Harshal Bogezra from Moldex 3D. And what we're going to do today is today we're going to look into how you can leverage AI into molding simulation to drive faster, smarter manufacturing. So, that's our topic for the webinar. What we're going to do is towards the end, we're going to spare some time to open up the discussion. If anybody has any questions, we'll take care of it. I might not have all the answers, if it's a development kind of question. So what I'll do is I'll go back to my team, find out more information, and get back to you. So that's what we're going to do today. So today, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about three main subtopics within this AI and what Moldex 3D is doing in this regard, right? So first thing is data management platform for injection molding, virtual and real-time integration. So most important thing when we talk about AI is gathering information, gathering lots and lots of data so the module, so the AI can learn from it, right? So that is a most critical aspect. If you don't have much data, there is nothing to feed so that the AI can learn, right? So data gathering and data management is a very critical part. And we're going to talk about how Moldex 3D is leveraging data management in order to gather all the information, whether it's simulation, in production, and storing it in one place. Second is how do we get relevant information from all this data we have and use it towards AI application to innovate our development process, whether it's DFM like a part design side or tool design side or processing side. What we want to do is how are we leveraging, how are we learning from all data and making better, faster, more efficient decisions, right? So that's the second aspect of it, like or how to improve our internal process using AI. And then the next step is we're going to take it up a notch, right? What we're going to talk about is we're going to talk about how to integrate these kind of application services to accelerate in enterprise intelligence upgrades, right? So what we'll do is not just the internal development process, but how can the company, how are we impacting the bottom line of our company, right? In terms of revenue generation, how are we, changing the culture, incorporating all these AI tools as we go towards the future, right? So those are the three important aspects of this presentation, and we're going to cover each one of them. So the first point is the data management. Like I said, data is very important. And when we talk about the product development life cycle, there are different phases, all right? It goes through starting from the part design phase all the way till production. There are a lot of steps involved. And these are some of the major steps you can see on the screen. First is part design side, right? The designers are working on the part design. Once they finalize it, they move on to the mold design side where the tooling engineers get involved, right? And then the mold making, and then the mold tryouts, and then the processing team with the production, right? So there are several different steps.